I do the Mugli. I do the Sher Khan already done. Okay. And this is baby Mugli. Okay. So first make it the circle and then make it like this. One, two, and this is the eyes. Here's the eyes. Sit down. Eyes line. So here I can create the eyes. Cute eyes. Okay. Baby eyes. Here also this is the eyes line. Okay. So I create the baby cute eyes. Okay. Here is the eyebrow. Baby is so cute character, so no, not doing so much. And now the mouth part. Yes, again. They are making the smiley face, okay? This is baby, just small open nose. Okay, this is a baby Mowgli. Mowgli always hair is long, so you can make it a hair. After that, make hair from this. Because in jungle is no any, salon. This is Mowgli. Okay. Hi Niharika or Orang. Beta, wait 2 minutes. We are going to the still the kids batch going on. The 7:15 will start the class. No, you are. Come first. Not start yet. It's class start from the 7:15. It's now 7:09. I can stay also, can leave also. Okay. 7:15 will start. Okay. As you wish. You can stay. No problem. Okay, we are creating this hairstyle. Wait 2 minutes. We can start class 7:15. So wait 2 minutes. Okay. So this is the Mowgli, one of the famous characters of Jungle Book. Okay. So we are creating this movie. Today we are creating that movie character. The Bagheera, Sher Khan. The Sher Khan, Bagheera. Oh no, this is not. This is a cute And the color also is not that tough. Okay. We have a kids batch. We have it going for 4 minutes. So we have finished it off. Yes. Okay, Srijani, take care. Tomorrow you must join the senior batch. Okay, beta? Please. Okay, I want to. Bye bye. Take care. So we are making like this. Okay, this is skin color. Yes, beta. No, tomorrow is no clay class. Again, the next week clay class. No, no. You on class in a week, no? So the only the clay. No, beta. No, no, beta. Tomorrow no clay art class. Again, the next week. The last week I did already. Okay. Every alternative Sunday 5 to 6 is the clay classes. So last week I did, and the next again the next week, coming week. Okay, not this week. Okay, so good. So I can put some brown color for here. Okay. Oh no. Okay. And mix the color with the finger. Okay, first looks more nice. Otherwise, the strokes are visible. We are getting some shading. Okay, some nice shadings color. I'm using the brown sider for shading. Okay. So I can create something like this. Okay, I put some second tone over here. Now, finish.